Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so pumped for this video because we're about to blow your minds with some awesome ways to make money online. And the best part? We're using free AI tools to do it. No expensive software, no crazy investments, just you, your brain, and AI. Real practical ways to build a side hustle, maybe even a full-time income. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra cash, this video has something for you. We'll break down each tool and show you how to start making money today. Ready to become an AI money-making machine? Let's do this. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This AI is a beast at writing. Tell it to write anything: blog posts, social media captions, even articles. Offer writing services to businesses or individuals needing engaging content. ChatGPT helps you produce high-quality work quickly, meaning more clients and more money. Plus, it's constantly learning and improving. Next, we're diving into graphic design with Canva. This tool is a lifesaver for creating eye-catching visuals without any design experience. Canva offers templates for social media posts, logos, and presentations. Customize them with your own images, text, and branding. Offer your design skills on freelance platforms or to businesses. With Canva, you'll create professional-looking designs in no time. Alright, let's talk about Grammarly. Clean, error-free writing is crucial. Grammarly is like a personal editor 24/7. It catches grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and suggests better word choices. Offer proofreading services to students, writers, or anyone needing a second set of eyes. It's a valuable service, and Grammarly makes it easy. Chapter 4. Lumen 5. Video editing made easy. Video content is huge, and Lumen 5 makes you a video editing master. This AI-powered platform lets you create stunning videos with music, images, and text overlays. Businesses need engaging video content for social media, websites, and marketing. Use Lumen 5 to create professional quality videos and offer your services to businesses. Chapter 5. Google Analytics. Become a data detective. Data is king in the online world, and Google Analytics is your tool. It provides insights into website traffic and user behavior. Businesses use this data to make informed marketing decisions. Become an expert and help businesses understand their data. It's a high-demand skill that pays well. Chapter 6. Hootsuite Social Media Superstar. Managing social media accounts can be a full-time job, but Hootsuite makes it way easier. With Hootsuite's free plan, you can schedule posts, track mentions, and analyze your social media performance all in one place. Offer your social media management skills to businesses that are too busy or don't have the expertise to handle their social media presence. Hootsuite will make you look like a social media pro. Chapter 7. MailChimp Email Marketing Mastermind. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach customers, and MailChimp is a powerhouse in the email marketing world. You can use MailChimp's free plan to create beautiful email newsletters, automate your email campaigns, and track your results. Offer your email marketing services to businesses that want to grow their email list and increase sales. MailChimp makes it easy to create professional-looking emails that get results. Trello is a project management dream come true. It lets you organize tasks, collaborate with others, and keep track of deadlines all in one visually appealing interface. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from using Trello to stay organized and on top of their projects. You can offer your project management expertise to businesses that need help streamlining their workflows and improving their productivity. Trello will make you a project management rockstar. Market research is crucial for businesses to understand their target audience, and SurveyMonkey makes it easy to create and analyze surveys. You can use SurveyMonkey to create professional-looking surveys, collect data, and generate insightful reports. Offer your survey creation and analysis skills to businesses that need help gathering valuable insights from their target market. SurveyMonkey will make you a market research whiz. Every business needs a website, and WordPress is one of the most popular website building platforms out there. With WordPress's free plan, you can create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. Offer your website building and management skills to businesses that need a website or want to improve their online presence. WordPress makes it easy to create beautiful and functional websites that will impress any client. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible tips to make money online using free AI tools. From writing and design to marketing and project management, there's an AI tool to turn your skills into a profitable side hustle or full-time income. Be creative, provide value, and never stop learning. Stay curious and explore new AI tools and possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you next time.